Hey, if you're a music producer, musician, or someone seeking a transformative way to monetize your beats, then Beat Mogul is the ultimate tool to revolutionize your business. Watch this Beat Mogul review till the end to clear all your doubts. It's crafted by industry pioneer Jamie Lewis, who has generated over $5 million through his beat-selling platforms. This system is not just a blueprint, it's a proven method. Here are 5 reasons why you should purchase Beat Mogul. Number 5 will shock you. So let's start reason number 1. It's easy to follow blueprint. Whether you're an experienced producer or just starting, this system lays out every step, from setting up your website to scaling your sales. Reason number 2, it's massive value. Offering buyers access to thousands of beats for just $29 upfront, it delivers incredible perceived value that converts visitors into loyal customers. Reason number 3, it's upsell strategies. Jamie's genius upsell mechanism, offering $297 licenses, boosts profits with minimal effort. Reason number 4, it's affiliate-driven sales. By leveraging affiliates, you can focus on creating while others drive sales to your platform. Reason number 5, last but not least, it's automation. From setup to operation, the process is designed to run on autopilot, leaving you more time for creativity and life. Now, you might be wondering,
why trust Jamie Lewis? Because his journey is authentic. He started from scratch, experimented tirelessly, and created a system that works without advertising budgets, record labels, or exhausting manual efforts. His insights come from years of trial and error, ensuring you bypass the pitfalls most producers face. But wait, that's not all. You also get exclusive bonuses. Beat Mogul includes a comprehensive video library, step-by-step guides, and a support system that guarantees you'll get results. Plus, Jamie offers a personal guarantee to ensure your success. If you're ready to dominate the beat-selling business and create a sustainable income, Beat Mogul is your golden ticket. So, why are you waiting for? Simply visit the link in the description to get a special discount for a limited time only. Don't miss out. Grab your access before the doors close. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe.